Hello everyone. Assalomu alaykum barchaga. I am Muxlisa Sobirjonova. Today's our topic is the past simple forms was and were. Demak, biz o'tgan zamonning to be shakli was, ya'ni were shaklini bugun o'rganamiz. Boshladik. Okay. Was and were are past simple forms of the verb to be. Demak, biz to be'ning hozirgi zamonda ishlatilishini o'rgangan edik. Am is are bilan va biz uni past simple, ya'ni o'tgan zamonda ishlatilishini o'rganamiz, ya'ni was va were shakli bilan. Subject verb in past. I was, demak men bilan was, he she it bilan ham was. Ko'plik, ya'ni you were they shakli bilan esa were ishlatiladi. For example, I was tired last night. They were at the park. She was very happy. Ko'rishimiz mumkinki I bilan was, they ya'ni ko'plik ular bilan were, she demak u bilan was ishlatildi. Men o'tgan tunda juda mm, charchagan edim. Ular parkda edilar va u juda ham baxtli edi kabi misollarni bera olamiz. Okay, structure ya'ni tuzilmasi. Oddiy darak gaplarda biz egadan keyin was were olamiz va object olamiz. He was at the party. You were on time. Demak, was were bular bu yerda past simplening tubisi bo'lib kelyapti. Negative ya'ni inkor shaklida biz egadan keyin was were'dan keyin esa demak negativning shakli notni olamiz. I was not hungry. We were not late kabi misollarni negativ shaklda olamiz. Interrogative ya'ni so'roq shaklini yasaganda biz was va were'ni egadan oldinga chiqarib ishlatamiz. Was she at school? U maktabdami? Were they ready? Ular tayyormi? Biz bu yerda demak javob uchun qisqa shaklni olsak bo'ladi. Was she at school? Yes, she was. Yoki were they ready? Yes, they were tarzida javob berishimiz mumkin. Okay, ba'zi bir qilinadigan, duch keladigan xatolarimiz quyidagilardan iborat. I were tired. Bu yerda were xato qo'llanilgan. I was tired to'g'ri variant bo'la oladi. You was there. Ya'ni you birlikda ham, ko'plikda ham was emas, were bilan birgalikda qo'llaniladi. Was they happy? They ko'plik bo'lgani uchun were they happy degani to'g'ri variant hisoblanadi. Demak, biz har doim wasni I, he, she, it bilan, were'ni esa you, we, they bilan birgalikda ishlatilishimiz kerak ekan. Okay. Yana biz o'rganishimiz kerak bo'lgan narsa was were'ni not bilan qo'llaganda uning qisqartirilgan shakli. Was not, wasn't, were not, weren't shaklida qisqartirib qo'llasak xato bo'lmaydi. Misol uchun, he wasn't at school. They weren't interested degan misollarni bera olamiz. Bu yerda biz was notni wasn't, were notni weren't qisqargan shaklda qo'lladik. Past simple'ni yana bir marta alohida ega bilan qo'llanilishi. I, he demak was bilan qo'llanilyapti. You, we, were bilan qo'llanilyapti. Example misollar berilgan. Demak, affirmative, negative and question shaklida. Demak, darak, inkor va so'roq shaklida yana misollar berilgan. My mom was a nurse. Mening onam hamshira edi. Nowadays, she is a retired desak bo'ladi. Hozirda u nafaqada. They weren't at school. Ular maktabda emas edi. Was he sick yesterday? U kecha kasal edimi? Degan misollarni bera olamiz. Bu yerda qilishimiz uchun ba'zi bir misollar berilgan. Videoni to'xtatib, siz mavzuni qanchalik darajada aniq tushundingiz yoki yo'q, bu mashqlarni ishlab, uni aniqlab olishingiz mumkin. E'tiboringiz uchun rahmat.